fueled up. Just get on me trip. Let's get out the Cheddar. Right, A38 the Cheddar. What's the first episode of the new series of the motorbike show with Henry Cole last night? He was in Wales for the first episode, and he was on a Royal Enfield Meteor, and he gave pretty good reports on it. He liked it. Went to a couple of places. I've been over there, Raglan Castle, Abergavenny. So he's probably done a few roads that I've done quite a few times. I'm going to have to try and get over there again sometime just for a day. That's better. I'm getting a bit of air getting through the top of me lid, and it's cool. Let's put this on the lowest setting and see what it's like. Should get a bit more airflow. Put that up on my Wales weekend because I had a bit of rain. No real rush as such, so it will be A38 to Cheddar. Well, that's better. I'm definitely getting airflow through the top of me lid now. Got the vents open, and they'll be staying open. It's warm and humid, but at least it's supposed to stay dry until the early hours of tomorrow morning. We could be in for some much needed rain, but it's looking like reindeer. We might miss the worst of it again. Let's wait and see what happens. Can't control the weather. Right, hopefully an enjoyable ride out the Cheddar. Bit of cloud about, but it's all fair weather cloud, hopefully. Part of the Southwest Coastal Path and River Parrot Walk along this section. If you're that way inclined, you could walk from here all the way to Minehead and beyond, or in the opposite direction up to Burnham, well, Highbridge. Just enjoyed me 50-mile-an-hour run to Paula, which is 40. Then you just get a little bit of nationals to West Huntsville, and then it's 30 from there. 30s and 40s virtually all the way to my destination. Got one little section of nationals, but it's not much. Same as a lot of other places, they're doing away with them. Got a tractor. Actually, this is gonna slow me down. Most of the traffic are going, luckily. Disagree with that. Part worn tyres, they're dangerous. To get this one booked in for a service next month. Be the big one. Bow clearance check, gearbox oil, the works. I ain't quite done 12,000 miles since the last one, but it's 12,000 or every 2 years, and it's nearly 3 years since it was done. But about a 12-month for that 3 years it was off the road, but even so, I'd rather get it done and know I'm looking after it. Oh, that is warm, especially at the speed I'm doing at the moment. I'm getting no through air to cool me down at all. Better bit of air now at 40. Got a short blip of nationals in a second. Short being the operative word. Nationals. definitely cool me down. Lovely dovely. Santa on a Bike summer cruise Sunday, but unfortunately I don't think I'm going to be able to go. And looking at the forecast, it might be for the best, because it's going to be a very, very hot one. Mainly 30s and 40s along here now. One stretch of 50. I'm enjoying this. It's just nice to be out on the bike. Mendy Fields spreading out in front of me and off to the left. Oh, I hope this is just roadworks. Ain't seen no signs for any, but that don't mean anything. Not really safe to filter along here. Plus you've got some solids coming up in a minute anyway. Can't tell from here, but this is going on for a heck of a long way. So I might have to have a change of plan. No traffic coming this way now, so no, there's one. As soon as I can see it's safe to filter, and I will, but at the moment I can't anyway. I'm guessing it's roadworks, because the traffic coming this way is intermediate. It stops and then starts again, so might be a change of plan after Cheddar, because I don't want to have to come back through this lot if it's queuing up going back the other way as well. Mind, if I go via Western, I won't be coming back this way, so it won't be a problem. I could filter in a minute, so I'm going to if I think it's safe. I can now, so I'm doing it. Why I can, and it's safe. Got a wagon coming this way now, so I won't be. Thanks for pulling over, mate, but I'm not going while I got a heavy coming my way and a right hand junction. Through this time. It's getting causing delays both ways, so not quite so bad here. It cost me a couple of minutes, I think, that's all. Nothing major. Right, up the top of the gorge first, put my sticker on, unless my other one is still there and I just couldn't see it. When I last looked, when Western Supermotor Vlog had been on there, and then Grumps was on there the other day, his latest video, we'd been there and I couldn't see it, so I'm guessing it's not there. It's either been taken off by somebody or covered up, because it was only a small sticker. Coming into Cheddar. If I want to go via Wedmore, it'd be the long way round because that one's shut. But I doubt I will be. Go at the gorge, put my sticker on. I'll come back down and decide what I'm going to do then. If I can find some on-street parking, I might park up and have a quick break here. Here we go, up the gorge. Looks quite busy. Bit of a surprise for a weekday outside the school holidays. Oh, that's a bit cooler in the shade. Nearly up to where I want to go. Got myself stuck, you numpty. That's alright now, I'll leave her in gear for this though. Right, let's get my sticker on. Right, get me sticker on. Not been too bad a ride out here, apart from how road works. The Southwest sticker board. Mine definitely isn't still on there, so somebody's either gone over the top of it or took it off. So I'll put one of my big ones on. I didn't realise I still got two, I thought it was only one. Definitely be one of the big ones then. There we go. Right, let's put mine back on. Somerset Biker's going back on, but it's a bigger one this time, so it shouldn't get covered up, hopefully. Where can I put it? Underneath. Helmet Cities, there are. I'm back on with a bigger one. Somerset Biker stickers back on the board. Right, I might see if I can find somewhere to park up and have a quick break here before I decide what I'm going to do. But that's the job done, main thing I came out here for this afternoon. Get that put up.